Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
Special servant of God.
I am always servant of God. It is for you to recognize, that's all. I am always servant of God, but it is for you to recognize.
Have you any idea how much money the sect makes every year?
Eh? We can spend all the money of the world. Unfortunately, you do not give us any. We are spending at least, at the present moment, $800,000 per month
On what, Brett?
on this propaganda all over the world. And we are selling our books not less than $40,000 per month.
Do you like to work?
Yes. Is that?
He wants to know if we like to work.
We are working more than you. 24 hours in the old age. I am traveling all over the world.
But don't you get a lot of your money from begging?
No, first of all, you see, working, you cannot work more than us. Because I am an old man, 79 years old, and I am traveling always, all over the world, twice, thrice in a year. So you cannot work so much, at least.
Just one more question, please.
Yes, Your Grace, your religion is a very ascetic one. Will you be living ascetically in Melbourne? We're told that you'll be taken away in a Rolls Royce.
Our religion does not say asceticism. Our religion teaches to love God. You can love God in these days. There is no harm.
But it is a self-denying religion, isn't it?
Not self-denial. We are using everything. Why self-denial? We simply use whatever absolutely necessary. That's all.
But how do you justify trappings like a Rolls Royce and a very expensive house to live in?
No, we don't want Rolls. We can walk. But if you offer Rolls Royce, I have no objection.
Wouldn't it be better that you were travelling in a much smaller car, less pretentious?
Why? If you give me a Rolls Royce to travel, how shall I refuse it? It is my favor upon you. I accept this.
Your Grace, would you tell us briefly how you founded the Hare Krishna in America?
Well, at least whole world is now chanting Hare Krishna. Wherever you go, they chant Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama.